In the heart of Brazil, a rare burst of blue glides through the skies, the Lear's macaw, also known as the indigo macaw. Once on the brink of extinction, this striking bird faced a future without flight. Its survival depends on a single tree, the licuri palm. Without it, the macaw can't eat, can't nest, can't live. But through tireless conservation efforts, this rare beauty is soaring again, a symbol of hope and proof that even the most endangered species can rise once more.